Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to do the side kick with the butterfly knife. So this is how it looks. So you first want to flick it up. So you see how, so just pretend this is real, it's not real. This is sharp. And this, if you use a live blade, will be completely safe to touch. So if you fling it like this, it won't hurt you. But if you do it the other way, so say you flinged it back, it will cut you because your whole, so this is called, so you know how I said that if you swing it back like that, it will hurt you? This is called the safe handle, because if you swing it back, it won't hurt you. And this is, if you hold the bite hand close to you, if you go like that, it will bite you. So first you want to flick it up, so like that, and then you want to wrap your fingers around it, so like just release it, then you wrap your fingers around it, flick it up, flick it back down, and now here comes the hard part. When you flick it up, you got to turn it as well, so like that. So you want to like flick it up and then turn it as well, so like this. And then you just extend your fingers, flick it back, and like that. And then if you got that, you just learned how to do the close. So it's the same thing. That, wrap your fingers around, fling it back down, do the thing, the flick and twist, fling it back, extend your fingers, and close. That's how you do the side kick. Bye.